Hello, welcome to my channel. As an enterprise architect, there are times whereby your enterprise repository, you've messed things up. You've made some changes that broke things, and you want to just start all over again. You want to reset everything and start afresh. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can do that using a platform known as Essential Cloud. Let me share my screen. You'll see my screen in a moment. Okay, so I believe you should be able to see my screen now. So we're on Essential Cloud. Essential Cloud is an enterprise architecture platform that helps you to integrate all your business processes into a central repository in real time. It's repository based and it's an interesting platform. And we'll be doing some series of videos around it. So I've selected my sandbox repository and let's have a look at our viewer one. And you'll be able to see that we have content, we have actual data in it. You can see 6 drivers, 11 goals, 29 objectives. So in this video, let's assume we want to delete all the data inside, all the models that have been integrated. We want to delete everything. There are different ways you can go about this, but I will try to um, give you an approach that I consider to be quite easy. There are many ways you can do this in Essential Cloud, basically. So what I'll do is we'll come over here. Remember, we are working with Sandbox. We want to clear off Sandbox. I'll go to Repository Administration and I'll click on Manage Snapshots. Then we can see all the snapshots, the list of snapshots that we've done on this account. So I'll scroll down and I would select the initial states, which it was when we had a blank baseline. Then I need to make sure this is on Sandbox. I need to make sure it's on Sandbox because even though this is for production, the source repository was production, but I want to restore it in my Sandbox repository. So I'll just click on Restore Snapshots and it will tell me that I am about to restore blah 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 into the Sandbox repository. I'll click that I understand what I'm doing and I'll click on Restore Now. Okay, it's going to take some time. So we can see the restoration is in progress. So as I said earlier on, I'm showing you how you can reset your repository. One way, one approach that you can use to start afresh. You've made some changes, you've used some test information, and you are not sure how to fix things. So this is something you can do. You can see it's saying the job is in progress. So in a few minutes from now, we'll be able to publish it. Yeah, so we are using the sandbox. Sandbox is just like backups. It's a point in time kind of backup. So we are taking it back to how it was in 2015. It will be done very soon. It will be done very soon. It's ongoing. So if I scroll down, I can see the progress. Yeah, restore snapshot of backup is completed. So you can see it's completed now. So after doing that, what we need to do is to publish it. Remember, I showed you that the data was published in viewer one. So now I'm going to publish it in the same viewer one. Just give me a moment to take out this. Yeah, so I'll click on publish. The moment I click on publish, it will automatically detect that there is a job that have just been completed and we'll be able to publish, choose our viewer. So I'll go for viewer one because I want to publish it to viewer one and I'll click on publish repository. Yeah, You can see it's rendering the repository. So the entire process has begun. Job completed successfully. Publish in progress. And we are good. Okay. So we've been able to publish it in VR1. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. I'll click on dashboard, sandbox, VR1 again. Recall that when we went here, you saw 6 driver. This is still the sandbox. You can see it's still here. I happen to refresh this page, but let's do it again. I'm clicking on VR1 again. Then I'll click on enterprise architecture. Then I'll click on business strategy overview. And now we'll see 000. So we've been able to successfully delete all the data within this repository. So we are just using the blank templates. That's why we just have the underlying templates, how it was in 2015. So if we should go through all the views, you are going to see that you are not going to find any data or any major customization that was done after that particular date. So it's always good to take your snapshots and so that you can easily backtrack your account, your repository to um, how it was before you made any major changes. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can add data to your repository. And we'll be doing a lot of other videos around Essential Cloud. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.